In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate your Revit library from inside Revit using Load Family. This is a quick, reliable way to find exactly where Revit is pulling your content from on your computer or network. It's especially helpful if you're switching machines, syncing standards with a team, or just need to confirm the path for templates and families. Start inside your Revit project. You don't need to open or place anything first. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and choose Load Family. This opens the Load Family dialog, which is essentially a standard file browser tailored for Revit content. The key detail we're after is right at the top of this window, the address bar. That strip displays the exact folder path to the location currently shown in the dialog. Think of it as the roadmap to your library. If you haven't changed anything recently, Revit often opens this dialog in your default Revit libraries folder for your version and language. In that case, the path you see at the top is the location of your installed Revit library. If you've been browsing elsewhere during your session, the dialog may open to the last used folder. That's normal. In any case, the address bar still shows the precise path to wherever you are, which is what you need to reference or share. Take a moment to read the full path. If the address is truncated, you can click inside the bar to reveal the complete string and note it down exactly as it appears. This is useful for documenting standards, setting up new workstations, or confirming that your content points to the correct local or network location. You can also glance at the folder names listed just below the bar to understand where you are in the hierarchy and how the library is organized. Keep in mind that the default path can vary based on your Revit version, language pack, and how your company deploys content. Some teams redirect libraries to a shared network location, while others keep them on the local drive. That's why checking from inside Revit is so dependable. It shows you what Revit is actually using right now, not just what you think it should use. Once you've confirmed the path, you can close the dialog if you're not loading anything, or continue browsing families as needed. And that's all there is to it. Open Load Family, look at the folder path at the top, and you've located your Revit library from within the application.